Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. For dunia IT2 friends. So for another viewers also who watch my video, moreover for my students in 7A class. So now in this occasion, I would like to make a tutorial video about my student, yeah, for my students project, but Google Slide. So directly, for not taking the time, so I would like to continue. So right now, the first we come to the um, slide. Yeah, this is the lesson or Google Slide that we already done together in the class, with my student exactly. So now, yeah, I make this video for uh, my students to review again if they forget about how to make it Google Slide, yeah, using the template from the slide school. So right now, as usual, we come to the drive first. After come to the drive, we come to the folder that you will make it, and don't forget to right click and then come to the Google Slide here. So in the Google Drive, we could directly click or enter to Google Slide by right click. Just this one and then blank presentation. Okay, and don't forget to give the title for the presentation. So the first, yeah, but the title, maybe I will make it the project. Look at the old one is 1 2, this project 3. Okay, so this project 3, and before that I would like to give some information here. There are the things that we could choose it from the Google Slide for presentation. So this the simple one, the Google Slide give it, yeah. So here, if we want to the simple light blank, so here, and then simple dark, and the streamline, and then focus, shift, and momentum, and others here. So this you may just, if you want to use it this template or this theme, yeah, so you just click this one. We could also to the import theme if you have a file or folder from the Google, if you already download it, so just import and then upload or using the outright, yeah. So this is the thing. And then for this for the slide. So when all the presentation already finished, you want to present it, so you can click this slideshow directly. And this one for share, yeah, this directly copy link, but this the private only me. But if you want to make it public, or the other person, the other people wanna look at your slides, so just change this one, restricted to be anyone with the link, and then viewer on. Don't give the editor. If editor, it means only for the collaboration viewer. So they just copy a link and then share the link to your friend, or maybe if we put in the email, so this the access can the access more, can I, yeah. So this for the join call, yeah, here with the presenter. Okay, this the for also comment. So comment, if there is comment here, so we could look at here. And then the next, this about the history. So who are the user that edit it or maybe remove, we could like to the history and then we could do it back. Okay, so for the next here is there's the background. It's background. If we want to change it become the blue, so later the color will be blue. And we will reset, uh, delete it back to white again at the time. Yeah, depend on the time. Okay, so this the layout. You wanna make it a different, like maybe just here and then right side is the explanation and other. So depend on your maybe this column and then other. So it's different than theme like last time. Yeah. And then this transition. So this transition for uh, the this maybe kind of medium or fast, yeah, transition of the slide presentation. Okay, okay, so animation, motion, animation and others. Okay, so here there is the number add comment, is add comment here, the select line if you need the line, and other here the for the our slide, and this for the set. Here there's a row and other. If we use it and this for the picture, maybe we want to upload it, just upload it from our computer, and this will search with the web and get this for the sticker, and this from the Google Drive and others for the picture, Google Photo, and the link, or directly using camera. This for the text box, and this for writing, typing, like this. Okay, so this for the feed, you may make it 50%, so for zoom or not, and this zoom also can be like this, yeah, directly. Okay, this one for pen format, if you wanna make it same the format, and then this for printing, and this on undo and then redo. Okay, now there's this new slide, yeah, with the layout, changes the search, and in the file here there is the new presentation, and this open if we have a file that we already make it before, that it is import slide and make a copy or other share, same like in this one, and then this email, and then download. If you want to download it become the PowerPoint and others, so we can download it and rename the project name this one, and then is a shortcut. Yeah, shortcut it means directly shortcut to the drive, and move to bin is still added. Yeah, version history last service language. If you wanna use it, change the language. Just look for Indonesian and others. This page set up and print preview and print. And this edit, similar redo. So everything here in the menu, yeah, menu bar. So there is here in the top also, yeah, toolbar and menu bar and other. And so this one. And then view here, the model editing. If you choose other, yeah, the other version. So slideshow, motion, time builder, comment and other this. So rulers like this, now this there is no. If we wanna show it, and then this one also if we with view, like this, and click, and then here, so guide and others, yeah, you may try, yeah, for my student you may try one by one this full screen and other. So here in the insert, like last time, the image and the text for audio and others. So chart is this table and diagram chart, and then diagram outline and word and other new slides like number and so you may try it, yeah, for my student. And then for this format, and this about the text, lined and then indent, yeah. So for the line, the typing, and then paragraph spacing, bullet numbering, and table and others. This format option, and this slide for maybe duplicate, delete, and skip, change background, and other we can click at this one here, change theme, this background same like last time. So here there is in the toolbar menu bar. So here arrange, rotate, and group the example one picture and two picture, when group it, so make it ungroup tools, and then there's this Q&A question, spelling, link object and add-on, and this UKF script and help and others. Yeah, like this. So about the information. So next there is the second part video for we make the project because we will divide it. So the first video need just explanation. Yes, thank you very much. That's what I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.